Good afternoon. Welcome to Spoken English classes by Prasanta Behara. I have already discussed in my first class of Daffodils by William Wordsworth. In this class, I have described about the poet, about the poem, and all the stanza and rhyme scheme also of the Daffodils by William Wordsworth. In this class, let's discuss some short questions, MCQ type of questions, single word answers according to the exam point of view. This type of question will come in your college unit test about daffodils. I am asking you some questions. You may answer it. I will give you answer also. From the very beginning, first of all, we have to know what is the color of the daffodils. The color of the daffodils is golden. You can write in the single answer, if the question is the single word, you can write golden. The color of the daffodils is the golden yellow color. Next questions. Who wandered like a lonely cloud? Who wandered? I have already described about wandered, means moved aimlessly. Moved aimlessly means wandered. लक्ष्यहीन भावरे बुलिबा, कवि एठारे लक्ष्यहीन भावरे बुलुथिले. Who wandered like a lonely cloud? Answer is the poet. The poet wandered like a lonely cloud. So here the poet described, here the poet himself compared as cloud. Who were fluttering and dancing in the breeze? Who were fluttering and dancing in the breeze? I have described breeze means pavana. Who were fluttering and dancing? Kiye nachuthile? Daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. You can write the single word also, daffodils. How many daffodils did the poet see at a glance? How many daffodils did the poet see at a glance? से एका थरे के केतोटी daffodils फूल देखिले, कवि केतोटी फूल देखिले? Nearly 10,000. It has written in the book also. The poet saw 10,000. I saw 10,000 at a glance. The poet here refers that the poet saw nearly 10,000 at a glance. Who were also dancing like the daffodils? Daffodils full of boliya au kiye na juthile? Waves. The waves also dancing like the daffodils. To which things have the golden daffodils been compared? To which things have the golden daffodils been compared? Answer is the stars. Stars also have been compared with the golden daffodils, because I have already told you the golden daffodils were also shining and stars is also shining in the Milky Way. So in the poem daffodils is compared with the stars. It is in the second stanza of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Where were the daffodils? Daffodils were केउंठी थिले? The daffodils were by the side of the lake. से केउंठी थिले? Daffodils were by the side of the lake. The poet could not but be gay. The poet could not but be gay means what? The poet could not but be gay means the poet was happy. This is the happy mood of the poet. The poet describes in the poem, the poet could not but be gay, means the poet was happy. What did the poet see? A host of golden daffodils. A host of golden daffodils. It is in the first stanza. What did the poet see? A host of golden daffodils. The poet saw the golden daffodils by the side of the lake. I am discussing some questions in single sentence, single word like this. Here also I have written here some more questions. William Wordsworth was a poet of dash people. William Wordsworth was a poet of country people. Clear? William Wordsworth was a poet of country people. Dash people means country people. Next, I wandered lonely as a cloud. This is the first line of the first stanza of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud. I have already discussed in this class about wandered means moved aimlessly. Se kabi lakshyahin bhavare bulutile. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here I refer to whom? I refer to the poet. Here I refer to the poet. Ethar I ro artha hochi kabi nije. Which wealth is referred to by the poet? Which wealth? What type of wealth referred by the poet? Happy memories of the daffodils. The poet always remembers in his heart, in his mind, the happy memories of the daffodils. How daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. What were the daffodils doing? Daffodils daffodils flower or daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. What has been compared to the stars? The stars compared with the golden daffodils, because I have already told you daffodils, golden daffodils were also shining, the star is also shining. They stretch in never ending line along the margin of a bay. Here they refers to whom? They refers to the daffodils. The daffodils were growing. Where were the daffodils growing? The daffodils were growing along the margin of a bay. I have already discussed some one-word questions, one sentence questions and answers. It will very helpful for class 12 student in the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. So watch the video completely and make a note in your copy. Thank you.